Hello everyone. Happy Feel Good Friday. And I am here right quick just to share with you guys something that I have not been promoting. It has been around for more than a couple of months, and it is a way for you to get started with a Young Living family at a little bit more cheaper rate and cleanse the air in your home and do all types of wonderful, uplifting stuff for your emotions. And so that is with our Welcome Home Kit. So if you have not heard about the Welcome Home Kit, this is how it comes. It actually has 8 different essential oils and a nice little oil rack. So if you are a person who already has an essential oil diffuser, or maybe you're just more interested in using them topically than you are aromatically, then this kit is for you. And this kit is only $125 and is still a premium starter kit to get you started with the Young Living family. So what is in the box? So I almost have everything in it, not quite. So I can share some of my stock that I have. So tangerine, any one of our citrus oils are going to be uplifting and you're going to just feel great. So tangerine is definitely one of those lighter scents. If you love orange, tangerine is a great complement to that. So it's going to be one you're going to want to diffuse on a regular basis if you already have a diffuser. Lemon is fresh and clean. You can add these to your cleaning products. Lime is just another very clean scent. All of our citrus oils are going to give us energy and make us feel amazing and wonderful. And then lastly, you're going to get a 15 milliliter bottle also of grapefruit. I don't have one, so I'm just using what I have on hand. So that's part of what you get. You're also going to get peppermint, which has been shown to be very great and soothing topically, as well as to help with concentration. Lavender. Everyone knows and loves lavender. It's very calming and relaxing. Then we also have frankincense. Frankincense is very good for concentration, as well as a little bit of grounding. And then many fan favorite, Valor. So Valor has in it black spruce, camphor, blue tansy, frankincense, and geranium. So having all of those woodsy things in there, it's a very, very soothing, very, very grounding, very, very good for giving you just a boost of natural courage. So I just want to make sure that everyone knew that this was available, the Welcome Home Kit. And if you already are part of the Young Living family and you need to restock on some things, or these are some that you don't currently have in your arsenal, like tangerine, lime, and grapefruit, it's a great way to get them. This is also available to current members in the quick order method as well. So you can go ahead and do that. But otherwise, if you're not yet with the Young Living family, you want to make sure that you know about this option. And so this weekend only, I'm going to be offering a deal. If you get started with the Welcome Home Kit, I will give you a $25 credit on your account after purchase, and then you can use that to get a diffuser. So like, for example, we have this nice little cute diffuser that I love. It's only $40, and so that pays for most of your diffuser if you happen to be in a group of people that do not have one yet. So that is what I want to share with you today. I will probably be back a couple more times this weekend to share some other great information, but with that, I am going to close it out for now. If you want some more details, we did an amazing class on Tuesday. It's available on my YouTube channel about plants for wellness. And it's going to tell you a lot about some of these things that we mentioned, like lemon, peppermint, lavender, frankincense, valor. Went over all those in the class. Plus, I have a video also on the importance of using essential oils daily. Why would a person need to do that? Have an entire video on aromatherapy and using essential oils daily, as you could still use the inhalation method with these without a diffuser. So if you haven't seen those videos and you need more details on that, hop on my YouTube channel. It's just my name, Tashina Gonzalez, to get further information. With that, I'm going to close this out, and I thank you guys so much for joining me. Have an amazing day. Bye.